room here, bedroom, cabinet. So this will be the engine room. This is what I'll use as the engine room temporarily. And this will be my working area. I'll have my desk right here, and then I'll be working on the motorcycles around here. It's a big enough space. Look at that. So old. So the first step is just to clean up this entire place, and then I'll start working on the paint. Maybe I'll replace these boards up there, or maybe replace the entire ceiling. This place is just falling apart. Very old. This one's really not that bad, but this one's really bad. As you can see, it's falling apart. So I need to take down this entire ceiling and the next one in the next room. So I'll start off from that corner. I'll go this way in preparation for what I'll find in these huge panels. This is a huge panel. This is an entire huge panel. That's one panel, that's another panel. So I'll start off with this. These ones are cut in half or so, I think. I've only made this much progress so far. My cousin came in and gave me the bright idea of going up into the ceiling and kicking down the ceiling from above. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to enter through this hole. Just going to climb up this door up that hole. So I am up. That's the hole I made earlier. Alright, so let's go see if we can try and kick in. I think we can start here. Let's see. Yeah, probably. Yes. Okay, let me set up the camera. Damn. As you can see, there was a mountain of soil in the ceiling. So the ceiling is off. I'll do a bit of cleanup, removing the nails that were left stuck, and cleaning up some of the hardwood parts that are left, some of these. This is what I'm dealing with today. So I have my mask on, helmet, and broomstick. Things are a lot cleaner. I took out all the nails. And all that junk is here. So there's a part I broke. Need to fix this. That needs some fixing. And some work on the wires.